Welcome people, welcome. Let's talk about Shibadoge coin. Now once again, I'm very happy with Shibadoge because this coin since the beginning of this year is really putting smiles on people's faces. At least people that bought this coin are now happy because this coin, as of last year, a lot of people believe that it is over for Shibadoge. Okay, now I keep on creating videos about Shibadoge because I believe that this coin has a future. Now Shibadoge then actually was trading between a market cap of about 5.6 million and 6.3 million. Now a lot of people got discouraged because nothing was happening. Shibadoge will just go up today, tomorrow to come down. After Ethereum Wells decided to remember they invested about 7.2 million on Shibadoge. Now when they pull out of Shibadoge, so many people decided to pull out and Shibadoge dropped a lot of market cap. Now I believe on Shibadoge project, one thing I always focus on is it's not just about who is buying more. What I focus on is on the project, on the plans, the ones they have achieved. I also focus on the roadmap. Visit their website, listen to their interviews, the developers, try to know what they have, the plans they have. Now, the ones they have already made a move on, are they succeeding or are they failing? These are things we check. Now, when I discovered that Shibadoge on their roadmap stage 1, everything they listed that they want to achieve, they achieved it based on the followers, based on the market cap, based on the listing, the company they listed, and they're working hard to get Shibadoge to get listed on this exchange. Shibadoge was listed on those exchange. I also took a look at Shibadoge roadmap stage 2. I discovered that everything they listed on stage 2, they also achieved them. It was a success, and I look at this coin and said, wow, I'm impressed with the way the developers, whatever they list, they make sure they achieve this. Now on their roadmap stage 3, this is where Shibadoge actually listed Hotbit, Lbank, Get.io, and Crypto.com. I was like, this is a big tax for Shibadoge on roadmap stage 3. If they can't achieve this roadmap stage 3, just like stage 2, stage 4, Shibadoge will be creating millionaires. Now, on Shibadoge stage 3 right now, Hotbit is already in. Lbank recently is already in. They have listed Shibadoge. Now we have 2 more to go, which is Get and Crypto.com. Now, Shibadoge, I'm kind of surprised because not just these 2, Bitmart are also in, IndoEX are in, BigX are in, Uniswap V3, Uniswap V2 are all in. Now we are expecting more. This has to tell you that the developers are really serious. These guys are working hard to make sure this coin have a better future. Okay, today from beginning of 2022 to 2022 ending, Shibadoge was still trading with about below $6 million market cap. But from the beginning of 2023, something happened. What happened? Shibadoge started rising in terms of market cap and price. Within 2 weeks, 14 days, Shibadoge was able to gain over $20 million market cap. Everybody was like, wow, it will soon drop as usual. Before 3 weeks, 1 month, Shibadoge was able to gain over $28 million market cap. And the market cap of Shibadoge finally hit over $36 million. It was amazing. Now, people were expecting Shibadoge within 2 days to drop back. And since then, since January, Shibadoge has proven them wrong because the market cap of Shibadoge has now finally maintained over $30 million market cap for the period of 9 weeks. Wow. This is amazing. I'm so happy for Shibadoge. Now, if they continue this way, Shibadoge plan, Shibadoge vision, Shibadoge gold. Remember they said, we are the new Shiba Inu. Definitely, Shibadoge will become one of the biggest coins of 2023 or 2024. Now, Shibadoge have about 16 zeros at the time of recording this. Now, imagine this coin deleting between 3 to 6 zeros. Even with a $10 investment, you'll be making about $1 million. $20 investment, you'll be making a lot of money. Shiba Inu was able to create multi-millionaires, and I believe Shibadoge, if crypto industry keep on increasing in price, if crypto industry keep on rising, if we experience a bullish year in 2023 and 2024, Shibadoge is going somewhere. But please remember, this is not a financial advice. I am not a financial advisor, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.